Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The error code P1684 indicates a problem with the throttle valve return spring performance in the 2023 Plus Honda CR-V. This issue arises when the throttle valve fails to return to its target position after being actuated. The Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects this abnormality and subsequently stores the DTC. Components affected by this issue include the throttle body and its associated spring mechanism. The throttle body is located in the engine compartment, positioned between the air intake and the engine. It plays a crucial role in regulating the airflow into the engine based on the driver's throttle input. A malfunctioning throttle valve can lead to incorrect air-fuel mixtures, resulting in engine performance issues and potentially compromising safety. Proper understanding and troubleshooting of this issue are vital to ensuring vehicle reliability and efficiency. The P1684 code signals a malfunction in the throttle valve return spring performance, which serves to ensure that the throttle valve returns to its design position when not in use. This spring's function is crucial because it helps maintain optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. Located at the throttle body within the engine compartment, any issues with this component can directly affect vehicle operation. When the PCM detects that the throttle valve does not return to its expected position, it interprets this as an abnormality, thereby triggering the DTC. If this is not addressed promptly, it can result in unstable engine conditions, including stalling or unintended acceleration, creating a potential safety hazard. Several factors can lead to the P1684 code being generated. One primary cause is a malfunction in the throttle body itself, which may be due to mechanical failure or wear over time. A dirty throttle body can also impede its functionality. Accumulated carbon deposits can prevent the throttle valve from operating smoothly, ultimately leading to improper closure. Additionally, a faulty connection at the PCM, where inputs and outputs are managed, can result in erroneous signals being sent or received, further complicating the situation. It is crucial to address these potential causes sequentially to effectively resolve the problem, ensuring that each component's integrity is thoroughly inspected. When the P1684 code is present, several symptoms may manifest, which point towards throttle valve issues. One of the most immediate symptoms is unstable engine performance, where the vehicle may exhibit erratic behavior, such as stalling or fluctuating RPMs. Another apparent indication is the illumination of the check engine light, which serves as a warning that a system malfunction has occurred, specifically related to the throttle system in this case. Drivers may also encounter difficulties with acceleration. The throttle may not respond as expected, leading to slower than normal acceleration or abrupt changes in engine speed. Awareness of these symptoms is critical for timely diagnosis and repair. The first step in troubleshooting the P1684 code involves starting the engine and maintaining a steady RPM of 3,000 without any load. This is typically done while the vehicle is in either park, P, or neutral, N, to ensure the engine is operating safely and at a higher RPM to promote optimal airflow. As the engine runs at this elevated speed, it is essential to observe whether the radiator fan activates, which indicates that the engine is reaching operational temperature. This step helps ascertain whether the engine control systems are functioning correctly during idle conditions. A consistent RPM accounts for circulatory stability within the engine, clarifying whether any parameters are deviating from normal ranges. After holding the engine speed as specified, the next troubleshooting procedure entails turning the vehicle to the off position. This allows the systems and modules on board to reset and clear temporary issues that may affect performance. it is vital to wait for at least 10 seconds before transitioning back to the on mode, ensuring that all electrical components stabilize. This pause grants the PCM and other systems a brief moment to recalibrate themselves. Upon returning to the on position, observations regarding system checks or fault codes should be conducted. Following this step correctly is essential for accurate diagnostic results and determining if the initial DTC persists. In this step, the technician should manually engage the throttle valve by pushing it open to check its mechanical response. Following this action, it is vital to release the valve and allow it to return to its default or closed position. Observing this return is critical. If the throttle valve fails to return adequately, it indicates there could be an issue with either the throttle body or the spring mechanism. Engineers designed these components to ensure that the valve moves freely within its operational limits. If any obstruction or mechanical failure impedes this return, it most likely points to either dirt accumulation within the throttle body or a need for component replacement. If the throttle body inspection reveals a stuck condition, the next logical step is thorough cleaning of the throttle body. This involves removing any carbon buildup, debris, or other contaminants that may be obstructing the valve's free movement. Post-cleaning, it is essential to perform a confirmation procedure to check if the DTC still remains. This confirmation step typically requires repeating the initial engine startup and RPM holding sequence to ensure that the throttle valve is now functioning correctly. If after cleaning, DTC P1684 is not indicated, the issue has likely been resolved. Otherwise, further inspection of components related to the throttle body, including electrical connections to the PCM, becomes necessary. Once all diagnostic and repair steps have been completed, it's crucial to verify the integrity of the repairs made regarding code P1684. This includes ensuring that all relevant tasks were performed and the throttle body has been adequately cleaned or replaced. The technician should thereafter check if any remaining diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, exist in the system. A quick test drive of the vehicle is advisable to observe engine behavior under various conditions. By monitoring the throttle response and overall vehicle performance during this road test, one can confirm whether the issue has been fully resolved before concluding the repair. Ensuring this final verification ensures safety and that the vehicle operates as intended. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P1684, implementing a proactive maintenance plan is essential. Regularly scheduled cleaning of the throttle body can help prevent dirt and carbon buildup, which are the primary causes of the throttle valve malfunction. Additionally, conducting routine inspections at designated service intervals allows for timely identification of potential issues. Drivers should also be encouraged to monitor overall engine performance and responsiveness, especially changes during acceleration. This holistic approach not only helps maintain vehicle performance, but also enhances long-term reliability and driver satisfaction. Being proactive can lead to significant savings in maintenance costs and prevent sudden breakdowns. In summary, addressing the DTC P1684 involves understanding the importance of the throttle valve and its return spring performance. Anomalies in this system can critically affect engine performance and user safety, making prompt troubleshooting an essential step for technicians. It is crucial to follow the outlined steps to diagnose and rectify any issues to ensure the vehicle runs optimally. Moreover, performing regular maintenance can thwart future issues related to the throttle body and other critical components. Ultimately, adherence to these principles will enhance the longevity and reliability of the 2023 Plus Honda CR-V, ensuring a pleasant driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.